Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the USB insertion animations on your Android phone. So here, what you need to do is go to the settings on your phone, and then here just scroll down until you find this dynamic effects settings, so you can personalize animation effects on your phone in here, and you'll spot the USB insertion animation. So tap on that. So when a USB device inserted on your device, you can see this animation here at the bottom uh of your phone. So you can just select the one that you want for the animation. So I'm going to, let's say, use the third one here. Then just simply click on apply, and that's it. So later when the USB inserted to your phone, the animation will show up. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.